Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways you can get this cat face filter in Snapchat. So this is the first one. This is a dog face filter. This is the second cat face filter, and this is the third cat face filter. So if you want to find them in Snapchat, you have to go to the community lens gallery, and here you have to search for cat. So the first one and the fourth one and the second one from the last. These three are face masks that you can use. So this is the first way. The second one, you can visit my page, and here you can find these codes. So below the code you can see the link tab there, and you can open the code in Snapchat. And the third one, if you're browsing this page in your laptop, and you can go to this page and you can scan the code. And you can take a snap. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this cat face filter in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.